Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your in-store Walgreens video for the week of the 10th to the 16th of November. And there are some very sensible and reasonable deals in this. And I do have some clearance to share as well. $2.74 for the Scott and a lot of little goodies for like $2 or less or dollar shampoo. And we do have a couple freebies in this as well. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful just to ensure that the video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could like it, I would be so grateful. Good rule of thumb is to go through your little coupon booklet, your wallet, wherever you keep these register rewards, and look at the very top when a lot of these are expiring. I had some expiring on the 12th and the 13th, so I'm happy that I used them this morning just to be organized. The first item we're going to talk about is some Prime hydration drinks on clearance. I believe this is like 68% off, which is pretty cheap. I've never seen them this cheap. The different flavors are Hydration X, I think that's what it's called, and the other one is called Glowberry. Now, if you love these Prime drinks, I've never seen them this cheap. I would grab 13 for $10.27. Use $10 in Walgreens cash and stock up. This is a very cheap price, and when you can use like a register reward or Walgreens cash to get it for a lot less, go for it. And I just found it merchandise in that Christmas aisle towards the end, and they had a whole bunch. A lot of them weren't even tagged. We also have a ton of cosmetics. We're definitely going to have to see what digital coupons that we get as these weeks march on towards Christmas. Lots of cosmetics goes on clearance, so that's one thing to load all those digital coupons. And then for a lot of the shampoo that's been 25%, it actually hit 50% for a lot of them. So if you had your eye on a certain shampoo or conditioner, definitely, even at 50%, so you don't miss out, you might want to pick it up this week. Okay, the first deal that we're going to look at is with the Garnier Fructis or the whole blends. They are 2 for $8, $3 register reward when you purchase 2, and they're like 2 for $8. So we also have this digital coupon that popped up this morning, which is a 3 off a 2. And I also have other coupons too for the Garnier. So if I wanted to do another deal, I'd have to do a separate transaction because that register reward prints only once per transaction. Grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5 or roll $5 in Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. You're getting back a $3 register reward. It makes it $2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash, no booster. I'm assuming some of you might have a paper booster this week, but most of us do not have a digital booster this week. Now, with that $3 register reward from Garnier, I wanted to roll it into another deal. For whatever stupid reason, once you get the $3 coupon for this Trident for this deal, it doesn't roll. You can't use it in a second one. An error message pops up at the register. So utilizing this, I did not want it to expire. So I have to buy an item that's, $3 or a little bit more for it to work, although the verbiage says a different story. So at my Walgreens, they have this 2 for $6, but they're 3 packs. So I'm going to be getting 6 packs of gum for $6. So that's a really good deal. So there it is. And then I used that coupon I had for Trident and then the register reward from the Garnier. I threw that in. I didn't even have to pay tax. So this is a great little deal, just an alternative deal because that coupon is a bit of a bear. So to get it to work with something, this is how I made it happen. And now the Scott deal, this is fantastic. You can either get 2 toilet papers, a mix of a toilet paper and a paper towel, or you can get 2 paper towels if you wish, however you want to do it. But a lot of us are trying to stock up on paper products. So this is a deal I would definitely throw on the list this week. This morning we got a 2 off 2 manufacturer at the top. At the very least, load that coupon plus the $1.25 store coupon. So savings stacked on savings. So 2 Scott products for $10, subtracting that $1.25 Walgreens coupon twice. $2.50 is melting off. Along with the 2 off 2 digital, you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per paper product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another deal that I absolutely love this week are these fancy $10 Dove body washes. A very popular item at my local store. So you're going to grab two of them for $20. And I know that is quite a bit out of pocket, but we have a method to this madness. This morning, I guess they were feeling a little bit generous and they gave us this 10 off of 2 digital coupon. So basically, it's like a buy one, get one free if you look at the brass tacks of the math. And then Fetch Rewards, if you head over there and type in Dove, I'm getting back 1,000 points per. So I'm getting back 2,000 points, $2. So just looking at the math for this, two of those body washes for 20, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 10, photographing your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for 2,000 points back. It makes it $8 for the two or $4 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And most of us don't have a digital booster this week. So, I mean, if you're just doing this deal on its own, trying to get rid of some other register rewards, this is a fantastic deal to throw some stuff into. The next deal I absolutely love this week is on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. They are 2 for $10. We have a Walgreens coupon for this and a very generous manufacturer. So these are the digitals that you're going to load, this 3 off of 2, and this is the manufacturer one that showed up this morning. Very nice. And this is your Walgreens coupon, which is another 3 off of 2. So you're going to get 6 off of the 10. So like fantastic. So 2 of these Elvives for 10, subtracting the Walgreens coupon and the digital manufacturer, you're paying 4 for the 2 or $2 per shampoo. For a shampoo that's almost $6 to pay $2. That's extreme savings right there. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, and definitely a good stock up price for this fancier shampoo. This freebie I absolutely love this week is to grab one of the toothbrushes and one of the pastes by Colgate. Alternatively, if you don't want that toothbrush, you can grab a mouth rinse. And it should shake out to the same price as long as it's $4.50. And the promotion with this is to buy 2 to get back a $3 register reward. So make sure that your items are tagged. And then last week we had some digital coupons if you were so lucky to load them. It's a $3 off for the paste and a $3 off for the brush or a mouth rinse. So this is $6 in digital coupons, which is really fantastic. Easy math here. 2 of these Colgate products for $9, subtracting that $6 digital, you're going to pay $3. You're going to get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And if you're doing this with no paper booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Don't be shy to ask the cashier if the machine is printing out register rewards. Is it working? Or listen for them in case you're like, it never prints. Don't be shy to ask. If they've been there all day, they'll know if the coupons have been printing out of that goofy machine. Another great deal is with the Arm & Hammer this week, 4 for $10. You can get the scent beads, you can get the liquid detergent, or if you are tight on space, get the pods, a 14-pack for $2.50. To add a little bit of sweetness to the deal, we have a 2 off of 4, which is absolutely fantastic. It's a very basic deal, so grabbing 4 of these for $10, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8 for the 4 or $2 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you're a newer couponer trying to build your stockpile, I would definitely stock up on this because it is such a great deal at $2 each. I mean, that's just absolutely fantastic, and it's what it's about. Okay, before we take off, we're just going to talk about a quick honorable mentions, including the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Complete Home or the Walgreens brand freezer bags. So $2.79 for the first. The other 2 are free. If you look at the math of that, it's like 93 cents per box of 20. These are very comparable to Glad or Ziploc. This is the only one that we use in our house, and my husband and I cook a lot, so do love when this promotion shows up. I always like to stock up. Another really great deal this week is on the Palmolive for $2.99. We have a $1.50 digital coupon that is in fact expiring this Saturday, so it drops this guy down to $1.49. I know that recently Dawn made a change to their blue original scent. A lot of people are not happy with it. Perhaps try Palmolive as an alternative. It's not very perfumey. And then the Axe, the only way I would do this deal with the 6 off of 2 digital is if your store has them on clearance. We like to get this stuff dirt cheap. Alternatively, possibly a curbside offer if we can find them on clearance as well with the 6 off of 2 digital. This coupon doesn't expire until December the 3rd. Load it. We'll figure out a deal with it. But if your store has them on clearance, make something happen. Before I take off, guys, yesterday I made a video. I went penny shopping and I got like 200 plus penny items, and I had to tap out at one point because it was even a bit too much for me. Had a blast penny shopping though. And if you want a little bit of information on how I did it, I know that another penny list that was supposed to be out for Tuesday on candy that Christie's Connection had posted actually became a penny today, which is Sunday the 10th. So, I mean, on your way home from Walgreens, if you want to stop in and look around, open up that Dollar General app and scan the barcodes. If it's 0.00, make it happen at checkout because that'll be a penny. And just always be courteous to staff that if things don't work out your way, whatever items you grab, put them back because a lot of these stores are short-staffed. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Good luck with Walgreens and Dollar General if you head that way. Bye, guys.